How do I get an increase in my Social Security disability benefits? Well, the bad news is that you don't get an increase in your Social Security disability benefits unless there is a cost of living adjustment. Your Social Security disability benefits are fixed based on your average current earnings. It's the 5 highest earnings during your work history period. That's just how the Social Security Administration goes about calculating your benefits. Now, they can make some mistakes, and it's mistakes that are made because the amount of your income hasn't been properly reported or reported at all. You can challenge the amount of your benefits if you think it's wrong by providing the Social Security Administration with documentation, such as your wage records, but preferably your income tax returns or W-2s or 1099s. So the bad news is you get what you get based on your earnings, and you only get an increase if there is a COLA increase. If you have any questions about your rights to Social Security, call me today at 727-894-3188 for a complimentary consultation.